Hey everyone! Welcome back! It's our second day here in Dumaguete, and it was another fun-filled adventure. We started the day with a walk to the National Museum of the Philippines, Dumaguete, where we soaked in a lot of history and culture. Unfortunately, cameras weren't allowed inside, so you'll have to take our word for it. It's definitely worth a visit. After that, we made our way to Forest Camp in Valencia, where we had an amazing time swimming in cool, refreshing natural spring pools. It was the perfect escape from the heat and such a beautiful spot to relax and enjoy nature. For dinner, we had a meal to remember, the best Sizzling Bulalo we've ever had at Royal Suite Inn. Seriously, that huge chunk of beef was fall off the bone tender and bursting with flavor. And to burn off all that deliciousness, we ended the night with a nice walk along the scenic Dumaguete City Baywalk. It was a perfect way to wrap up another unforgettable day in this charming city. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's take you along for the ride.
So why is the pool dark green? This is a forest.
Oh, that's forest camp.
Yeah, I don't think I'm swimming anymore.
Why, you're cold? They come a farm.
We'll see if the pools are like...
Yeah.
But these are not swimming pools. These are like natural spring pools.
So
The thing.
There's some leaves that you can
Look at the pregnant koi. I wonder how many fishes.
Look, someone threw a koi in there. A koi.
What's your pun? Someone threw a
Someone threw a koi in there.
coin.
That one, what's that?
Yeah, there's a coin there.
Ito usa man na koi na.
And the koi pond. There, there's a coin.
That one, the black one.
Look, I can see the root. Sydney, what? I can see the root. Oh, the smaller fish live there. Look.
Where?
Look, see over here. There's a spider on there. Weird. Look at all these small fish. It's just eat it.
Yeah, there's smaller fish there.
I'm gonna see if I can get it on that.
And you can see the roots of the tree. Still more here.
Those are some thick fish. Eat this. We ate one of my... These are so much thicker. Because there's way less of them. This is what happens to natural koi. Mama, is the water clean?
Yeah, the water's clean. It's flowing. See how clean that is?
Huh?
It's flowing. Okay.
Yay.
Climbing wall na ba, but ay lang pata pa mga kids. See here,
Okay.
the climbing wall.
Oh, it's a climbing wall. Yeah. That's right.
That's dangerous.
Oh, these are natural springs. Like what?
You could like say
mo.
testing,
Oh,
testing reviews
Just
to
don't
see.
jump around.
don't jump around, okay, kids? Because this might like fall if you jump.
Little, Let them pass.
Okay.
Tell the kids, ayaw sa may kay huot muna sa kuan.
Let them pass first, please.
Dad, ay sa.
Right? It's cold?
This reminds me
Cold?
of Camiguin Island.
Mom,
Yeah, look at that natural spring.
Pwede na ko tour guide, Mike?
Pwede na.
Mom, let's not go there. It might be dangerous.
See, it goes to like a river.
Is this bridge even secure?
Yes, it's secure. Just don't jump. Don't jump.
Don't jump, okay?
Yeah.
When the planks hold up the cement, it's like this.
paradise. Look at that. So nice. There's a nice pool here. Natural pool. On this side.
Please don't swing, jump, and play on the bridge. Yes, I'm not playing. I'm hanging on to my boat right now. Okay, our boat. Step in the middle.
Hendrik's already waiting on the other side.
I'm scared. You like when I was... Yeah, I was scared.
Okay. I think you made it, Sydney. You made it.
Because if I fall, it's safe now.
Is the water very cold?
Yes, that's so cold. It's actually. You want to dip it?
Oh, look, Sydney's already in. Even if it's very cold, Sydney's already in. It's so cold.
No, no.
It's natural spring. That's why it's very cold.
Can I have some goggles?
Yeah.
Probably the coldest pool I've ever went in.
Look, they're being cool. Just for picture taking.
Hendrik is scared.
No, Hendrik's not going in. You're not going in?
Oh, hell no.
Okay. Oh, the brave girl.
Okay, Mom,
The
here.
brave
What are you doing? No, you don't
The
touch the
brave
side.
I know, I'm not going to. Ah.
Pang picture lang?
Yeah, no.
Oh my gosh, no, that's a lot of like,
Tell them not to put the oil.
no. Oh my gosh, like,
Don't put the oil. There must be the most like.
Okay, I don't think Sydney should go in, honestly, even if she wants to. I don't want to risk her like putting her hand on the side of that pot.
Mom, can you just tell them not to put the oil?
Kani mo na ni Mai? Is this it?
Yeah. Look at that! Oh no! Oh, that's enough! Sydney's being cooked! Oh no!
Oh snap! That's actually
She really wanted to.
Hendrik, what about you? You want?
fine. I'm gonna do it.
Sure.
That's
My
enough.
brave devil.
Take it off.
Okay, put.
That's enough. You can't go out now.
Hey, do you want to go with Mama?
Oh yes.
Some rain.
Hey, don't go on the front. You have to go to the back. Hey, you have to go to back.
The witch.
Back way.
Behind you, you exit behind you.
Not the front, but behind.
Bata, gunit lang bata.
Can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm scared for my sister.
Step on the stone. Okay.
Careful.
Okay. I have your picture.
Yeah.
Wait, can someone do this? Wait. Now, I'll be in the picture too. Don't worry. If there's fire going on to the pot, I'll just put this.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Look at that. Well, you put a headdress.
Oh, hey. Wait. Oh, nice.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, yeah, I'm getting out.
Okay. Okay. Okay, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand in the middle. Put your foot there.
Mahadlok na siya.
Okay, it's enough. No, we have the photos, ma. It's all that's...
Okay. Okay, you okay? Don't go to the front. You have to go to the back. kids go?
That's the deep end. Don't go there. So many ants on my.
What?
Go underwater.
Nice. Oh, it's not hot. Hendrik, your turn.
I didn't even splash him. What did I do? What did I do? I didn't do anything. That's cool. Yeah. It's cold? Mom, the water's right there, okay?
Okay. Oh, look, some chickens are here. Wild chickens.
Got to go at the toilet.
Oh. The kids are having fun at forest camp.
The sky is clear, the world's in bloom. Feel the rush, the light cuts through. We're flying high, no need to land. Together here we make a stand. Hearts are open wide, nothing to hide. We'll ride this wave, no turning tide. Feel the sun, let it shine on everyone. Lift your voice, we're alive as one. Dance until the night is done. We are light, we are love, we are free and strong. The music holds, the beats are guide. We lose ourselves.
The bridge is over there. This little bridge we
No more worries.
went into earlier. And Hendrik's coming over. It's kind of deep for you, I think.
Nothing to hide. We'll ride this wave, no turning tide.
Just stay,
Climb over.
just stay with this blue portion, not that green portion.
Shine on every
Okay?
Lift your voice, we're alive as one. Dance until the night is done. We are light, we are love, we are
Coming here to eat.
strong. As the stars come out, we're still here.
This is the salt and pepper squid. We have the pinakbit. Oh, Hendrik's eating veggies. It's good.
No, that's not good.
What's this?
That is not good. That mac and cheese
Not sure what this is.
is good.
Saan yan? We'll taste it.
What is that?
We don't know what it is, but we'll try to taste it. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That's the...
Henrik. They have to put it there.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Ooh, sizzling bulalo. Oh, I thought it was soup, but it's not soup. It's a sizzling one.
You thought wrong. Ooh, sizzling. Hey, No,
wait.
no, wait. Wait, it's too hot. Henrik, give me your plate.
Hendrik, your plate. Can
Okay, ikaw rin naman. May sauce ka mag-display.
Yeah. You like chili.
More than seasick.
Ooh, thank
Plate,
you.
Cindy.
It's in your plate.
French fries on fire. Wait, you got French fries?
Nagka-GCK may.
I don't know. Send me French fries.
It's very good, right, Sydney? It's so tender. It falls apart. Yeah.
It's a brontosaurus bone.
Brontosaurus bone. Ginger ale? Here.
What are the creatures? They have bat, they have whale shark. This is sea slug. My sea slug name.
Oh, Sydney likes sea slugs. Hendrik, don't do that. Come on. Hendrik, there's no railing there. Get down.